Hello everybody, happy Wednesday. Okay, we gotta get going. We gotta focus here. Merry Christmas. Happy Boxing Day. I know I missed them yesterday. I did not, we had a very relaxing, very quiet day. Okay, so what I am going to start with is I have got a piece of Highland Heather cardstock. We got, yes, and it is 11 inches long by 4 1/4 wide, and then I just scored it at 5 1/2, okay? Easy breezy. We are going to play with this. Hello guys. So this is one of the new ones. It is coming out in the Occasions catalog in just like, hang on, what's the date today? 26. What do we got? 8 days. Woo woo. So I'm going to play with it. I'm going to show you a swap card that I made with it. So first thing we are going to do is we've got a little bit of stamping to do. And we'll get that all finished first. And then we will assemble the card. Okay, so photopolymer ones. Love, love, love. Hello. Oh, it's so good to see some of you on. I hope you're having a relaxing Boxing Day. Okay, so I'm going to put that bad boy in there. Now, for this part, we're going to need, sorry, the one thing I did not grab was ink. We need Coastal Cabana and Granny Apple Green, so we're going to put those there. We also need a little bit of gorgeous grape. Okay, so let's do this. Ooh, what's it doing in North Carolina right now, Pamela? It's, here we're getting, well, where I am at the lake, we're getting a little bit of snow today. Nothing heavy, but, oh, now I didn't do it on, should I do it on that? Let's see, we'll play. Okay, just a sec. So we're gonna go ink this bad boy up in this. And I'm gonna stamp this one on here. Okay, easy. And then I've got my chamois here. So we're gonna keep these, my New Year's resolution. I love how, does Mickey tap his foot to the beat? Hello, Kate. Hi, Core. Okay, I see the Highland Heather, and I think it's a clean chamois. Yeah, you wish. Look at this chamois. This is not a, well, it's clean because I just washed it, but there's nothing clean about it. Okay, we're going to go like this. And we are going to grab just the little, I'm going to go happy birthday on this one. And I'm going to put it up towards the top, okay? So I'm going to use this as the bottom. I'm going to ink this up. You're in a heat wave? Really? Holy cow. Not here. I mean, well, it's not, I shouldn't say that. It's not like it's actually very wintry here in comparison to what it has been on many years when we've been here. Okay, so we've got that. Now, I didn't do mine in Highland Heather. I wonder what this will look like. Can I pull it off? I think I can. We're going to do this one on Highland Heather. Yeah, we are. Okay, good. So that means I don't have to change anything. Okay, so first thing I'm going to grab here is I'm going to grab this super cute little lollipop. I think she meant the upper right corner paper. Yeah, no, she totally did. She meant that she thought that was a clean chamois. And I was like, yeah, if only you could see my chamois, you'd be like, I know that that is not. Mine is not pretty right now. Okay, so now we're going to grab this guy. I'm going to put you off to the side. Okay, and we're going to take this one. Now, we're just going to get crazy. You ready? So we're going to take this, and we are just going to... And yes, I am using Gorgeous Grape on Highland Heather, okay? And I'm gonna kind of, I want these to not be the same. I'm not sure how they were going to be the same. Oh, we did, it was beautiful. We actually got a little bit of snow on Christmas, no, the 23rd, we got snow. And then, it didn't snow Christmas Day, but it was perfect. Okay, we got that, easy. Now, next thing we're going to do is we are going to take this little strip of designer series paper. Okay, so this is from this gorgeous, or insanely gorgeous. Hang on a second, I gotta show you because you'll die. My chamois was pretty clean for a hot 5 seconds. Totally, it's a hot mess. This one is called How Sweet It Is, designer series paper. So wicked, just the colors, I don't know, they're totally, isn't it funny? They remind me of the 80s. I'm like, bring it on. Okay, so now we're gonna take this piece of DSP. And we're going to snail this bad boy on. Get it. Got it, Ron. Here's just like, I can't, it's funny. You never get out, I get out of my rhythm. I've been stamping. Actually, I have been stamping today. So I can't lie to you and tell you I haven't been stamping. I have. I got some playtime today. Now, we are going to sneak in. Okay, check this out. I just kept this like this so you could see it. When they did this DSP, they did it so that these little jars are all in perfect lines. So you can cut out the strip and then go do them on your big shot. So no waste, which is kind of nice. Okay, so we need that. We need that. Now I know what else I want. This guy here, we're going to take, where is it? I'm going to take that cute little candy. And I want my Here we go. I was on a, sorry, it was totally on a Harley rampage. You got a lot of Harley pictures over the break there, did you? He looks so cute running around in his jacket, and little Rooney. He's had his for a while, though. Rooney got his jacket before we got Harley. More to survive, winter up here. Like, well, it's not, it's super weird. It's not cold here like it normally is. Like, we've had sometimes where it's like minus 20. Now, I can't remember what that is in Fahrenheit, so don't go freaking out. That's in Celsius that I'm talking. So minus 20. And he's, well, my pointer, he's older. He is about 13 and a half now. Acts like a puppy, but he needed his coat. Okay. We're just going to do that. The Sweet's going to be in your next door. Oh, he is pretty, well, he thinks he's pretty beautiful too. That's the hard part, right? He's like, hey, aren't I gorgeous? Everybody noticed me. And this whole weekend was spent like trying to beat him and keep, no, actually, don't take that the wrong way. I didn't actually beat my dog, but trying to beat him away from the kitchen table. And, you know, the turkey, he was like, oh, look at, somebody baked me a turkey. So he had to kind of, we kept a very close eye on him. Okay, so we want this one. And I don't, like right here, look at this. Look at how cute that one is. Now this part, I'm going to take one of each. Just a second. Now this made it easy because I was doing swap cards with this set. And so I had to put one of each of these little candies on each card, which would have required a lot of going through, with the exception of the fact that they gave you 2 of each one. So it totally saved me. Yeah, I knew that 0 for me was 32 for them. But what, okay, so go down though. So like what's minus 20 in Celsius? What does that hit in Fahrenheit? Okay, so next thing we're gonna do, let's pull this. We're gonna get our bits. Everybody get your bits organized. Got them. Okay, I'll close this up so it's not in the way. Okay, let's pull in the big shot. Do you have, oh, Corey got power. She got it on Christmas Eve. It was a Christmas miracle. We weren't fun. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure she was more excited than I was, but we were all kind of hoping that she was going to get it. Okay, so I'm going to go through. Now, I'm going to exercise something that I don't normally exercise. I am going to exercise patience. Minus 4? Okay, yes. So it was minus 4. Perfect. Thank you, Nancy, my little mathematician. Because I don't want to screw these up. Okay, so we're going to go through. That one's done. We'll keep that one. Okay, so I'm going to put the ones I've done up here. And then this one, we just want one of him. And then let's see. We're going to slide you up. And I just might, am I still, yeah, I'm in the screen. Oh, minus 4, just looked it up. My bits got bigger. Oh, I think everybody's bits got bigger. Good Lord, there was a lot of eating going on. Okay, hang on. I'm just using my jiggly fingers. And I know I could have pulled out a magnetic platform and made this so not painful for you to watch me do. But I'm not. There. See, if I don't breathe while I do it, then we're fine. Like that, I had to get really quiet. I can't breathe. Okay, let's put you down. Let's crank it through. Google conversion, not math person. Love it. Yes. Now, I know, many of you are like, Anne, you could use some washi tape. Yeah, I totally could. I absolutely could. Or I could just not be the lazy individual that I'm being right now. Okay, so let's pull out. Look at that. Like, how stinking cute is that? This set might break you. I don't know. It's kind of fun. Okay, so we need to get rid of that. We need this one. We need this one. Okay, now we just need our bits. So, unfortunately, I had no pieces of pineapple up at the lake that were already cut into, so I've got a new one. Okay, so let's go on here. We're going to slap you on there. It's an awfully big piece of paper for one little tiny candy, but that's okay. Okay, put those on. And just a sec. Focus. There we go. Crank this through. I don't have my black mat that I have up at the lake. Hopefully UPS can make their way. Oh my gosh, Corey, that's right. I was, okay, so it didn't come Christmas Eve. So next delivery day would be tomorrow, yes? Okay, so fingers crossed for that now. Now we're just gonna grab, we're gonna pop out just these candies. Now the one thing I do have to, why aren't you using the magnetic platform? Purely laziness, Jojo, like no other reason. I have to get it out, and I should have got it out before I started the video, and I didn't. So I didn't want to make you guys wait while I ran around. It's not a big deal. My setup at the lake's a little bit different. Like I have all those things here. It's not set up for filming. Does that make sense? Like at home, everything's kind of ready, or I can grab it when I'm filming, and here I don't have that same setup. Okay, so next thing that we're gonna grab is I got out coordinating ribbon. Yes, check this out. La la la. So we're going to come in with this one. Now this requires a little bit of finessing because I want it to show the right colors. So there. I'm going to pull you over here. Okay, ready? Here we go. Breathe. If there are many punches, like, yeah, totally. You know what? They're not bad. I like, because those ones, here, look, these ones, you're not die cutting stamped images, so you really don't have to worry about lining anything up. They're just embossed. Can you see how they're embossed at the same time? Here, hang on, I'm going to come up. Woo. I'm not going to come up personally, but I'm going to show you them. See this? So they've all got super cute embossing on them. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this and we are going to do kind of my normal tie, but not my normal tie. Okay, so we're going to pull the blue side out. Now you can see here that I've got green and I don't want green, so I'm going to kind of finesse this one up here. Pull you, you twist it right at the last minute. Can we get it? There we go. Okay, got it. I wanted the blue showing there. So that's the Coastal Cabana. So it's Granny Apple Green on one side, Coastal Cabana on the other. Okay, so we got, next thing we are going to do is we are going to take this little piece of Granny Apple Green. Hello, Vicky. Hi, Deb. And we're going to, I got to meet Deb when I was in Michigan. And I have to admit, I kind of had a little bit of, what's it called? I don't know, like celebrity. I was a bit of a fangirl. I have, since I started Stampin' Up! At like, whatever, 11 years ago, I remember seeing Deb at stuff, at events. And I was like, oh, look, there's Deb Snyder. Oh, look, magician. Yeah, I think not, honey. Okay, so now we're going to take this guy. We're just going to slap some dimensionals on him. I'm going to bring you over here, and I'm just going to pop this one kind of there-ish. Got it? Totally starstruck. That was exactly the words. Thank you, Nancy. Massive brain fart. Could not think of it. Totally starstruck. And I got to go say hello to her. And she gave me a swap card, which is kind of cool. Okay, so now we're going to come over here. And we're going to tuck this cute little candy dish. I'm going to keep it kind of up high. Right in there. Now, you'll notice that we've got those super cute little candies, but your regular, what's it called, won't fit. Right, you got that? Your regular what's it called won't fit. Yeah, I know. I'm so sorry. Your regular dimensionals. So I'm using my little minis. They're perfect for this. You ready? Here we go. Okay, we're almost there. This one I think I'll put, I don't know, here-ish. Offset them from that one. Take one of you. Okay, and then I have to add something, so don't run away yet. Okay, just a sec. Saturday, you had 54 hours, Carolyn? Oh my gosh. You guys, that was horrific. And I feel so bad for the poor Hydro people that were working because the hours they were working were endless. Okay, so now we're going to come in with the rhinestones. And I think just because of the shape of that we've got there, I'm going to come in and I'm going to use a jumbo one, kind of right smack middle. And then I'm going to take two. Whoops. Did I take your glue dot off with you? No, I didn't. There. Come here. Little stinker. There. And we'll do one more. Just a sec. Trying to die cut in the dark with shadows. Headlamp, Cora. How funny would that have looked? Mind you, you'd have to be able to charge that lamp. There we go. Okay, so you can see. Super fun, cute card. And I have to say, the designer series paper with those dies, it makes it a snap when you're in a rush. But you don't have to have the DSP to do it. So look, you can make your own jars. It's got the same shapes, and then you can put in your own little, ooh, chocolates. You can, something shiny. You can put in your own little treats, and then you can color them, okay? They got 2 boxes of turtles for coming up our tiny road. Oh, that's so sweet. You guys are, well, it's, I don't know, just showing appreciation for people, right? And not enough people do that in this world today, so I'm glad you did, Cor. Okay. There you go, my dears. So this, oh no, it's not done because it needs inside stuff. Hang on, we have to put inside stuff in. Oh, and I stamped on the piece that I was going to stick on the inside. So now you guys have to wait. Okay, so hang on. We're going to grab. Just a sec. Almost done. Okay, so we're going to slap some snail on here. And we're going to put you inside. And then I think we should make it a sweet celebration. What do you think? Carolyn, honestly, get it and start to play, because it's kind of one of those ones where as I started to go, I am just seeing kind of endless possibilities with it now. It's so sweet. Okay, so we're gonna come back in. I'm gonna grab that gorgeous grape because I liked it. Now this one hasn't been used, just a second. So when I have a stamp that hasn't been used, I always stamp it once and then I clean it, because I find it never stamps perfectly the very first time, and so I don't want it to be on my card. Okay, there we go. And then I have to get off because my poor husband had to mute the TV and the junior hockey game's on, and we have a date. It's like my, you know. Here we go. Can you hear Harley chewing downstairs? There we go. Make it a sweet celebration. Oh. Yeah, I think I'm going to stamp some of these in, but I'm going to want to color them, so I won't make you watch me color them. But, my dears, there you go. Super fun, super cute card. It's dangerously expensive to watch. I know, but isn't this set so sweet, Jack? Like, I thought it was adorable. Anyway, have an awesome Boxing Day. Thanks so much for joining me. I promise I will be here next Wednesday with you. Oh, I banged my camera. So now do you like how I just tipped everything to make it look like the camera is still straight? Mwah. Have an amazing night. Take care, guys.